this video I'm going to show you how to use these icons on your Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so we'll start with the font icon. So here there's different kinds of fonts that you can use that are available to you. For example, when you have to highlight where you want to use the font on, and then you can just play around with all the fonts that you want. If you want this one, you can select that. If you want a different one, you can select that. Okay, so and then the second one is the size. It's the font size. So whatever size you need, you can highlight and just go to the size that you need to use. You can go small, you can go big. It's entirely up to you. So that is what this icon does. Okay, so leave it at 10. And then this icon, it's to make your wording bold, right? So you can just select the information that you want to bold, and you click the icon, and when you click on it again, it does remove. So let's say, for example, you clicked bold where you didn't want to make the information bold. You can just go back and click, and then it goes away. Okay, so this other function, what it does, it's an italic, and then you just click on it, and then it just gives you that view, and then when you click on it again, it just returns to its normal state. And then the next icon is to underline. You can just click on the information that you want to. You can just highlight the information that you want to underline, and you just click your underline. It does work the same. If you don't want to underline anymore, you can just select the end, click it, undoes what you have done. The next icon is the bottom header. It's actually where you get all your headers the border lines that you would like to use, right? You have access to all of these border lines, so you can explore them. For example, let's say you want to do all borders or thick borders on all of this. So you see now when you click on it, it's all there. And again, if you want to use a different one, you want a bottom border, you want a top border, you want a left border, a right border, they are all there, or no borders at all. You can just remove the border that you had initially inserted there. And we've got your fill color. Your fill color, it's if you want to fill the background of this, let's say this information, let's say you want to highlight and you want to fill it. See, so you are able to just highlight there however you want. You have access to all these different types of colors that you can use. You even have more colors. So let's say, for example, the color that you're looking for here, it's not there. You just click on more colors, and you have all these different colors that you can just explore and use. Okay, and then you can just click OK, and then there you go. You can highlight if this is the color you want, and then you click there. Okay, so the next icon that I will be talking about is the font color as well. So this was the fill color, now this is the font color. So let's say, for example, here you want to use a different color instead of white. Let's say you want to use black, whatever color this is, then you are able to highlight and use that color. Say you want to use an automatic, and automatic is just a black. If you want to use white like I did, you are able to do that. You want to use in red, you can literally just play around and use all different colors that you want. To say at the back you want white, you see, you can just play around with all the tabs, and you're able to just play around with the colors. If you like the video and you'd like to see more of my videos, please subscribe and like. Thank you.